Hello, if you are looking for TV stand, then you definitely want to hear about this one. The full disclosure, the seller provided me with this TV stand so I can put it together, show you how it works, and share my overall thoughts with you.
So here's a quick look at how the ONBRILL TV stand arrived. I was actually really happy to see how well everything was packed. Yeah, there was a lot of broken styrofoam inside, but honestly, I take that as a good sign, because every piece was super well protected and nothing arrived damaged, which is what really matters. My husband put the whole unit together, and it took him around 3 hours. What really helped was that the instruction was very detailed, clear, and easy to follow. Every part was labeled and laid out well. It made the process very smooth. We did run into a small issue during assembly. One of the top pieces was missing a groove, but I reached out to the company and they responded right away and sent us the correct piece without any hassle. So if you ever run into similar situation, don't hesitate to contact them. They were very responsive and helpful. Oh, and I love that the company included a few extra screws and bolts, just in case. It's those little thoughtful details that really make a difference during setup. And here's the finished result. We really love how it turned out. It has such a sleek, modern, mid-century vibe that works beautifully in our space. The roller shutter style sliding door is not just a cool design feature, it's also very functional. I love that you can leave the doors fully open, closed, or even halfway, depending on what you want to display or hide. It gives you a lot of stylish flexibility. Inside, you get 8 total storage spaces, including a drawer and 2 hidden compartments, which is perfect for organizing books, DVDs, or electronics. The shelves are adjustable, which I personally love. You can move them around to fit different sized items. And the built-in power outlet is super handy for things like table lamps, chargers, or speakers. There are also a cable management hole, which is a nice touch. So, if you're planning to place multiple speakers or a soundbar on top, just a heads up, it may take a little creativity to keep cords neatly out of sight. Another thoughtful feature is adjustable legs. They help keep everything level, especially if your floors aren't perfectly even. Now, a little note about the overall feel. The unit is quite lightweight, and while it looks great and it's very functional for storage and styling, I would be cautious about placing a very heavy TV directly on it. We will be wall mount our TV and use the stand for decor and electronics instead. It feels more suited for light to a medium weight use, like holding books, DVDs, speakers, or decorative pieces. You might want to add a bit of weight to the inside to make it feel a little bit more solid, especially if it's in a high traffic area. Overall, this ONBRILL TV stand is very stylish and versatile piece, great for someone looking for affordable furniture that adds a modern touch and gives you a lot of storage options. While it may not be the most heavy-duty unit out there, it definitely holds its own when it comes to looks, practicality, and thoughtful features like the sliding doors, power outlet, and adjustable shelves. I think it's great fit for books, small electronics, and decorative pieces. I hope this gave you a helpful look at what to expect with this TV stand. Thanks for watching!